In this video we are going to see the simulation of a rain alarm using 8051 microcontroller. Here we have a 8051 microcontroller. AT89C52, here we have a logic state coming from the rain sensor. When rain is detected it will change the logic from high to low like this. This is the input of the microcontroller. The output is a buzzer which is driving from the 39th pin of the microcontroller for giving alarm, and we have 16:2 LCD display. The data pin of which are going to the port 2 of the microcontroller, and the controller pin RS, RW enable are going to 3.7, 3.6 and 3.5 of the microcontroller respectively. Now I am dumping the program in the microcontroller. This is the RHEX file. Now it's okay. Now let's simulate this. See, the condition is shown: rain not detected, buzzer in off condition. Now the sensor is giving high logic. Here when the sensor change its state from high to low, buzzer will sound and display will change. Rain is detected, buzzer is sounding.